Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the um, or color pixel a video back to your clip in CapCut Special for PC. So you can import your videos or photos that you want to edit. For example, and after you add the element, you have to go to effect and select color pixel and just for duration is only, and you can change for the atmosphere, blur, color, glow, amount, etc. and click play button to see for the result. Alright. And it is applies to video as well. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Bye.